Ladies and gentlemen, it's Taylor Quine from Property Brokers. Today we're back in the heart of Milson at a family favourite. We're tucked away right down the end of a beautiful cul-de-sac. The house, amazing. Big bedrooms, 4 of them. The master has its own ensuite and walk-in robe. Massive living, gorgeous conservatory. There's even a little platform for someone to watch the planes coming and going. Now Milson, it's known for its easy access to the airport, the hospital, great schools, also easy to nip away to fielding should you need to. This is an amazing family home. Welcome to 37 Madison Avenue.